Hi there, I'm gonna show you in this video tutorial how to unlock Alcatel 3080 from UK. As usual, we have here one locked sample that it's requesting us for the SIM lock code. In order to unlock it, I'm going to use the Furiousgold box and the SPD service tool, latest version. So I'm going to power off the device. From the models list, I'm gonna choose our model and select remove SIM lock. This operation requires one multipurpose log, which you can purchase from our website. So once we select the model, we press connect, and when the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB cable while keeping press the star key on the mobile. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So that's all. The software is telling us that the device is unlocked. So let's check. So as you can see, we have here full signal, Vodafone Romania, so the phone got successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.